In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image in Adobe Fresco. So this is super simple. All you want to do is open a document, then you want to go to the bottom left over here and click on the Place Image button. When you do this, you can select if you want it from camera, from your files, or from libraries. I'm just going to click on the files over here. Then you have to find your image. I'm going to use this image of a shirt over here with my logo. So I'm going to click on it and click on Open. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to place your image onto your canvas or inside your document, and you can then go and resize it like this if you wanna. You can move it around, you can skew it, distort it, perspective warp it, whatever you want to do. And then yeah, that's essentially it. You can also rotate it if you want to. When you're done, click on the Done button top right and you are good to go. Now as you can see, you can always click on the image layer over here and you can change its styling properties, etc. And then over here the properties too, or you could go to this move tool to basically allow you to move it around and transform it again. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.